For Pi Network, it all began with Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis, a Stanford PhD with a vision to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, right from their phones. He's not your typical crypto founder. He's focused on building technology that unites people, not divides them. His idea: a digital currency for everyday people, not just tech elites. Today, millions of pioneers tap their phones daily, believing in a new kind of digital future. Pi Network's journey has been slow and steady, prioritizing real-world utility over hype. The team's methodical academic approach has sometimes frustrated followers, but the goal has always been clear: a secure, verified network of real people. Now, in early 2026, the groundwork is nearly complete. The community buzz is louder than ever. Everyone's asking when Pi will finally have real value. Dr. Kokkalis and his team have focused on building a robust digital economy, not chasing quick profits. Recent updates suggest the network is ready to open up in a meaningful way. The vision: a currency for and by everyday people, verified and empowered. As of February 2026, the pieces are coming together: user verification, developer tools, and a growing ecosystem. The picture is finally becoming clear. Pi could redefine digital money and online identity. The next chapter is about to begin. Before you can use your Pi, you need to clear one big hurdle: KYC, know your customer. It's a verification process, like showing ID to open a bank account, ensuring every account belongs to a real, unique person. This step is crucial. It keeps the network free from bots and fake accounts. Without KYC, building a trustworthy digital economy would be impossible. Once you pass KYC, your mined Pi can migrate to the mainnet, the live blockchain, unlocking real utility. Millions are waiting for their turn, and the process has been slow, but it's necessary for global security and fairness. Pi Network is building its own KYC system to handle diverse IDs and languages, making it accessible worldwide. This foundation of trust sets Pi apart from other crypto projects. Businesses and developers can build with confidence, knowing they're interacting with real people. The wait can be frustrating, but KYC is the key to unlocking the Pi ecosystem. It's what turns your digital coins into something you can actually use. Trust is the backbone of Pi's future value. The door to the Pi world opens with KYC. The Pi team knows KYC needs to be faster, so they're harnessing artificial intelligence to speed things up. AI scans IDs, checks for fraud, and matches selfies to documents, automating much of the process. It's a hybrid system. AI handles straightforward cases, while human validators review the tricky ones. This balance boosts speed without sacrificing security. By early 2026, over 17 million pioneers have completed KYC, but the team is pushing to clear the backlog. New features let users resubmit applications, giving everyone a fair shot. The goal: a smooth, scalable system for millions still waiting. Speed matters, but so does trust. No shortcuts allowed. Combining AI efficiency with human judgment is unlocking faster, safer verification. For those waiting, this tech-driven approach is the light at the end of the tunnel. The future of Pi depends on getting real people verified, quickly and securely. Human validators, pioneers who've passed KYC, are the backbone of Pi's verification process. They review flagged applications, protecting the network from fakes and fraud. Starting in 2026, these validators will earn Pi for their work, incentivizing accuracy and speed. More skilled validators mean a faster KYC queue and a stronger network. This community-powered system is intentional. Every member is a verified, unique person. That's what makes Pi valuable to businesses and developers. In a world of bots and deepfakes, proving you're real is a superpower. Pi's investment in KYC and validator rewards builds a foundation of trust. This isn't just about currency, it's about digital identity. Trust is Pi's most valuable asset. A currency's value comes from what you can do with it. So, Pi is empowering developers. The Pi App Studio and SDKs make it easy to build apps that use Pi for payments. AI tools lower the barrier, so anyone with a good idea, not just coders, can create. Already, over 300 apps are live on mainnet, from marketplaces to games and social platforms. Each new app adds utility and value to Pi. The vision: a thriving digital marketplace where pioneers spend Pi and developers innovate. More apps mean more reasons to use Pi, fueling a cycle of growth. Pi isn't just a currency, it's a platform for global innovation. Every new app strengthens the network. Building great apps takes funding, so Pi Network launched Pi Network Ventures to invest in promising projects. This accelerates high-quality app development and ecosystem growth. Developers can also create their own ecosystem tokens, mini-currencies for their apps. These tokens, designed with the PIRC1 standard, are tied to real app usage, not speculation. Developers must build apps people actually use to mint tokens, preventing bubbles. This utility-first approach fuels sustainable innovation. For pioneers, it means more ways to use Pi and engage with the network. Direct investment and ecosystem tokens create a richer, more diverse digital economy. Pi is building value from the ground up, one app, one community at a time. The future is about real utility, not hype. For Pi Network, AI isn't just hype, it's a practical tool shaping the future. AI speeds up KYC and powers the Pi App Studio, making app creation easier. But the vision goes further. Pi's global network of 400,000 plus nodes could one day power distributed AI tasks. Imagine companies tapping into Pi's network to run AI programs, with node operators earning Pi for their computing power. This would democratize AI, sharing rewards with the community. It's a long-term goal, but it shows Pi's ambition, merging crypto and AI for mutual benefit. Verified users and distributed computing create a safe, ethical AI ecosystem. In return, AI tools strengthen Pi and open new earning opportunities. Technology serving the community. That's Pi's vision. Pi's custom-built KYC system is now a valuable asset, and it's too powerful to keep in-house. The plan offers KYC as a service to other businesses, both in crypto and beyond. Companies can plug into Pi's system to verify users without accessing existing Pi user data. Pioneers' privacy is protected. Consent is required for external verification. Pi's global coverage, hybrid AI-human model, and privacy-first design make it unique. In an era of bots and impersonation, trust is gold, and Pi can sell it. This creates a new revenue stream, funding further development and rewards. Pi isn't just building a currency, it's building the backbone of a more trusted internet. For pioneers, the wait is finally turning into real progress. KYC and migration mean more people will soon have Pi in their mainnet wallets, ready to use. The current coin value is just a starting point. Real value comes as the ecosystem grows. New tools, ventures, and tokens will unleash creativity and utility. Every new app and service adds reasons for Pi to matter. The challenge balancing patience with progress as the team builds a solid foundation. All efforts point to the open network period, when Pi connects to other blockchains and exchanges. The goal, a value based on real utility, not speculation. The quiet building phase is ending, Now it's time for active participation.